Dear Cheri, today I have a question. If I harvested and dried my cannabis, do I have to do a full cure on it as well if I only want to turn it into edibles? I do not plan to smoke it or vape it at all. Thank you. Okay, great question. Thanks for asking it. Before I get to the answer, though, I just want to remind everybody, hit that YouTube subscribe button and notification bell because I try to upload new videos every Wednesday. And hit that like button, too, if you get value out of my videos, as it helps us be seen in YouTube's algorithms. Thanks so much. Oh, and if you like my $4.19 Got a Minute shirt, that's available on my website along with a lot of other fun cannabis designs. I'll put a link in the comments below. Okay, back to the question. Do you have to do a full cure on your cannabis if you're not going to smoke or vape it? You're only going to make edibles out of it. No, you don't really have to do that. If you're going to store it, of course, you're going to want to cure it to get the moisture out, because if you don't cure it, it can grow mold. So if you're going to store it, you are going to want to do a cure. But if you just want to harvest and turn it into edibles, you can decarb right away. It'll still be a little wet, so it may take a little more time. So, I mean, in general, I think it's a good idea to dry a little, and you did say you dried it, but you don't have to go through the full cure if you're not going to smoke it or vape it. You just want to turn it into edibles. You can decarb it and turn it into infusions, or however your preferred method of choices of making edibles, and you don't have to wait for it to fully cure. Hope this helps. Thanks so much for the question, and eat your weed.